Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify a Zalo account for foreigners. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you're a foreigner trying to verify or register to a Zalo account, what you can do is use a Vietnamese SIM or eSIM with calls and SMS. Purchase a Vietnamese SIM or eSIM that supports voice and SMS and register with a Vietnamese number and receive OTP reliably and complete the setup. Once registered, you can switch to your foreign number later if supported. You can also use a trusted virtual non-VoIP number or temporary service by services like SMSman, SMSportal.io, 7sim.cc offer real mobile numbers from Vietnam, and you can purchase a number explicitly labeled for Zalo to receive OTPs via SMS reliably. Virtual numbers increase privacy or flexibility but may come with cost and occasional reliability issues. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.